In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user to Mailchimp. This process can seem a bit daunting at first, but I assure you, it's quite straightforward once you know where to click. Whether you're adding a team member or collaborating with a partner, sharing access to your Mailchimp account is an efficient way to work together. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to navigate to Mailchimp's main website, which you can do by simply typing Mailchimp into your browser's search bar or entering the URL directly if you have it bookmarked. Once you're at the Mailchimp homepage, you'll want to log into your account if you haven't already. After logging in, take a look at the top right corner of the page. There, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. It's your gateway to a variety of account settings and options. Next, from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Account and Billing. This section houses all the nitty-gritty details about your account, including billing information, account settings, and, importantly, user management. Once you're in the Account and Billing section, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. Click on Settings. It's a simple step, but an important one, because this is where you'll find the control center for many customizable features of your account. Now, within the Settings area, look for an option labeled Users. Clicking on Users will take you to a page specifically designed for managing all the people who have access to your Mailchimp account. At this point, you're almost there. On the Users page, you'll see a button that says Invite a User. Click on it, and this will take you to a form where you can enter the new user's email address. You'll also be able to select what level of access you'd like this person to have. Mailchimp offers different roles, such as viewer, author, manager, and admin, each with its own set of permissions. Choose the one that best fits the new user's role in your team. After filling in the necessary details, simply click Send Invite, and you're done. The person you've invited will receive an email from Mailchimp prompting them to accept the invitation and complete their account setup. Once they do, they'll be all set to log in and start collaborating with you on Mailchimp. And there you have it, folks. Adding a user to Mailchimp is as easy as that. By following these steps, you can easily expand your team and streamline your collaborative efforts. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.